fourth problem in analysis of rigid frame or portal frame. Analyze a portal frame loaded as shown in figure by strain energy method. Analyze a portal frame loaded as shown in figure by strain energy method. So we know that in analysis of rigid frame, step 1, so we have to calculate degree of indeterminacy. We have to calculate degree of indeterminacy. So we know that for rigid frame, degree of indeterminacy equal to 3m plus r minus 3j, where m equal to, we have three members A, B, B, C and C, D. 3 into 3 plus r. At support A, it is fixed support. For fixed support, our number of unknown 3. This hinged support, for hinged support, number of unknown 2. Right? So totally we have 5 unknown reaction minus 3 into, we have 4 join A, B, C, D. Therefore equal to 9 plus 5, it is 14 minus 12. 22. Or we can use this formula r minus e equal to 5 minus 3. Right? So here we have 2 degree of indeterminacy. In previous problem we had 1 degree of indeterminacy. For if 1 degree of indeterminacy means we had at least one unknown reaction. Here we have 2 degree of indeterminacy. 2 degree of indeterminacy. So we have to release 2 unknown reaction. We have to release 2 unknown reaction. So we know that here we have 3 unknown, right? VA, HA and there is a movement MA, right? 3 unknown. Here we have 2 unknown. That is VD and HC. VD and HC. Since we have 2 degree of indeterminacy, we have to release 2 unknown force or 2 support reactions. Here we can choose VD and HD as redundant. We can choose VD and HD as redundant. 3 VD and HD as redundant. VD and HD as redundant. VD equal to, assume VD equal to V, HD equal to H. Assume VD equal to V, HD equal to H. Right? Let's draw the diagram again. It is V, it is H, and there is a 10 kilonewton load here, 4 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter. A, B, C. Okay. A, B, C. Okay. So we know that second step we have to find unknown reaction. We have to find support reaction. Step 2. If after releasing the force, after releasing the unknown reaction force, or after treating redundant, if the frame or the truss look like cantilever beam, we no need to find support reaction. If one end fixed, other end free means we no need to find support reaction. We can go for step 3. If it is look like cantilever means we can go for step 3. We can go for step 3. That means we can calculate redundant force without calculating the unknown reaction at A, without calculating support reaction at A, right? So we can go for step 3. So here it is step 2, right? Find the redundant force. Find the redundant force. For that, we have to put a tabular column. For that, we have to put a tabular column. Here portion. Here origin. Here limit. M. Dou M by dou H. Dou M by dou V. Dou M by dou. So we have 3 members. Since there is no force acting at the member, so we can consider 3 portions. We can consider the 3 portions. AB, first portion AB, second portion BC, third portion C. So consider it, choose a section in AB. Here choose A as origin. A as origin. This X. The distance from A is, and the limit is 0 to 4. Limit is 0 to 4. Limit is 0 to 4. Right? And second, choose a section here, and here from C it is X. From C it is, therefore C is the origin. 0 to 4 limit, 0 to 0 to 4. And next, that choose a section here. From D it is X. So D is the origin. Limit is 0 to 4. Limit is 0 to 4. If it is X, this distance is total distance 4. This distance X. Therefore, it is 4 minus X. 4 minus X. Right? Now, so we have to calculate moment at this first section. Since we can consider above the section or below the section, since there is no force, we didn't calculate VA, HA and MA, we can go for above the section. So above the section we have one 10 kilonewton load, one V and one H. One V and one H. So before that, we have to know this. It is sagging, right? Sagging. Right side anti-clockwise, left side clockwise. It is sagging. Right side clockwise, left side anti-clockwise. Right? So now, if you take moment about this point, there is a force V. It is in right side anti-clockwise. Right side anti-clockwise. Right side anti-clockwise. It is sagging. So V into, what's the distance? 4V. So 4V, and there is a H. Right side clockwise, right side clockwise, right side clockwise. So it is sagging. So minus this distance, this X, the height into X, and right side clockwise. So it is minus the 10 into the distance 4 minus X, minus 10 into 4 minus X, minus 10 into 4 minus X. Therefore we have 4B minus HX minus 40 plus 10x, plus 10x. Next, go for this section. B, right side anti-clockwise, right side anti-clockwise. B into this distance X, Vx, sagging, right side anti-clockwise, and right side clockwise, H into this distance, H into 4 minus 4H, minus 4H. And if you take movement at this point, right side clockwise, right side clockwise, clockwise. So H into this distance X, minus H into X, right side clockwise, it is 40, right, minus. So let's differentiate movement with respect to H. If you take differentiate movement with respect to H, it is minus X. Here it is minus 4. Differentiate 4H, minus 4H, it is minus 4, and it is minus X, minus X. And differentiate moment with respect to B. It is 4. It is X. Here it is 0. Next, for redundant, H. For redundant H, first we can consider moment at this formula, sum of integration of 0 to n, m into dou m by dou h, dx equal to 0. Dx equal to 0. So here we have three portions. For first portion, limit is 0 to 4. Sorry, it is 1 by EA. Take 1 by EA common, equal to 0 to 4, and m value, it is 4b minus hx minus 40 plus 10x into this minus x, minus x. Dx plus integration of second 0 to 4, sorry, 0 to 4 dx in minus 4x into minus 4 dx plus integration of 0 to 4 minus hx into minus x dx, minus hx into minus x dx equal to 0. If you take EA right side, it will become 0. Right? Now, integration of 0 to 4. 4b into x minus 4b x minus h into minus h into hx into x plus hx square plus 40x minus into minus, it is plus 40x minus 10x square dx, right, plus integration of 0 to 4 bx into minus 4 minus 4 dx plus 16x dx plus integration of 0 to 4 minus into minus plus h square dx equal to 0. Right? Now, integration of x, it is x square by 2. Therefore, minus 4b x square by 2 plus integration of x square, it is x cube by 3. H into x cube by 3 plus integration of x, it is x square by 2. 40 x square by 2 minus 10 into x cube by 2. Limit is 0 to 4 plus minus 4b into, it is x square by 2 plus 16x. Integration of 1, it is x. Right? Limit is 0 to 4 plus h x cube by 3. Limit is 0 to 4 equal to 0. Now, it is minus 4b into, we have to apply limit 4 square by 2 plus h into 4 cube by 3 plus 40 into 4 square by 2 plus, sorry, it is minus 10 into 4 cube by 3 plus minus 4b into x square, it is 4 square by 2 plus 16h into 4 plus h into 4 cube by equal to 0. Now, square by 2, it is 8. 8 into 4, it is minus 32b. Minus 32b plus 4 cube by 3, it is 21.33 hence plus it is 4 square by 2, it is 8. 8 into 40, it is 320 minus 320 minus 4 cube by 3, it is 21.3 into 10, it is 213. And here minus 4b into 4 square by 2. 4 square by 2, it is 8. 8 into minus 4, it is minus 32b. V plus 16 into 4, it is 64 Hz. 64 Hz plus 4 cube by 3, it is 21.33 Hz equal to 0. Therefore, first we can take Hz. 21.33, 21.33, it is 42.66. 42.66 plus 64, it is 106.66 Hz minus 32V minus 32V, it is 64V, and 320 minus 213 is plus 107 equal to 0. Therefore, 106.66 Hz minus 64V equal to minus 107. This is equation 1. It is equation 1. Okay, for redundant V, so we can go for 1 by EA, integration of 0 to N, M dou M by dou V equal to dou V dx equal to 0. Dx equal to 0. First, we can go for portion AB, 1 by EA common. Integration of 0 to 4. M it is 4V minus Hx minus 40 plus 10x into 4 dx plus integration of 0 to 4 bx minus 4x into x dx plus integration of 0 to 4 hx into 0, it is 0, right? So this 1 by EA, 1 by EA. So if you take 1 by EA equal to 0, if you take 1 by EA right side, it will become 0. And integration of 0 to 4, 4 into 4, it is 16V minus 4hx minus 40 into 4, it is 160 plus 40x dx plus integration of 0 to 4 bx into x dx square minus 4x x dx. Therefore, integration of so we have 4, limit is 4, our limit is 4, therefore 16 v into integration of 1, it is x, so value of x, it is 4 minus 4x x, that is x square by 2, x integration of x, it is x square by 2, that is 4 square by 2, 4x into 4 square by 2 minus 160 into, it is 1, integration of 1, it is x, that is minus 160 into 4 plus 40 into x, 40 into integration of x, it is x square by 2, that is 4 square by 2 plus integration of x square, it is x cube by 3, b into 4 cube by 3, limit is 0 to 4 minus 4 into 4x into integration of x, it is x square by 2, therefore 4 square by 2 square by 2, right? But equal to 0, equal to 0, right? 16v into 4, it is 64v minus 4 square by 2 it is 8, 8 minus 32 heads, and 160 into 4 it is 320, 640 minus 640 plus 40 into 8 it is 320 and 21.33 V minus 32 H equal to 0, right? 32 H equal to 0. Therefore, the formula is HV. You can take H minus 32 H minus 32 H, it is minus 64 H, and beta 64 V it is and 21.33 plus 85.33 V minus 640 minus 320 is minus 320 equal to 0. Therefore, minus 64 H plus 85.33 V equal to 320. It is equation 2. By solving these two equations, we will get V equal to H equal to 2.26 kilometer and V equal to 5.45 kilometer. Therefore, H equal to D equal to 2.26 kilometer. V equal to VD equal to 5.45. So, by using this two unknown, we can calculate HA, VA and EMA. HA, VA and EMA. Right? Thank you.